Matinda, Prydaig Bosgenwch unwaith arta. Great pleasure to be with you once again. On today's programme, a request from far Australia, a spooky Halloween poem, and details of publishers of Cornish language material and publications. Some of you may remember that just over a year ago I recorded an interview with Lillian James, who is a bard of the Cornish Gorseth and a fluent Cornish speaker, although she comes from Australia and in fact had only visited Cornwall for the very first time last year. Lillian has been very busy promoting the Cornish cause, and in particular the cause of the Cornish language in South Australia ever since her return, and she's written to me a long and interesting letter, but also a letter which includes a request for slides, photographic slides. She now does so many talks to people who are interested in Cornwall and the Cornish way of life that her own few photographs that she took when she was here aren't adequate. And she's asked for slides of places like historic sites, the Merry Maidens, the Hurlers, the Cheese Ring and so on, churches, Truro Cathedral, Paul Parish Church, Zena, Mullion and other churches, Gwenet Pit, some of the castles, St. Michael's Mount, Pendennis, St. Maur's and so on, and other important and famous sites like Land's End or Glyas Falls, Cambrai. Now, I've managed to obtain some help in obtaining slides, but if you have any odd slides, and even if it's only an odd one or two, that you wouldn't miss, and you would be prepared either to donate or to lend on a long loan, in the knowledge that these would be circulating around the other side of the earth in Australia, then we'd be very grateful indeed, and I would appreciate the opportunity to forward them to Lillian James in South Australia. Either send them or bring them to Radio Cornwall studios, where they can be left for the Kroeder Kroghen team. We'll put them together and send some slides out to Lillian James in Australia, and my thanks in advance to anybody who is able to help with that request. Now, secondly, there is a new book of poems which has just been published by KDL, that's Kernewek Dre Lither, Cornish by letter, and shortly, as I said, I will be giving you a list of publishers of material in the Cornish language and where you can get hold of them. So you might find it handy to have a pen or pencil and paper handy for that in a few moments. This book of poems is called Dig Treves Dig Semblant, hagas yw lyfr a farddynogol sgrifus gan John Richards. Lias yn obren o'r ddendilys solobris cestrifo yn orsedd, poesedd os cyrnol. Hagas yw gwreis gan Kernewek Drylyther, Delaveris, and costyn y moyes 5 dinar war an Higgins, that's 25 pence. Higgins dinar Lytherdol and 20 pence postage. So it's only 45 pence in all, including the postage, which is remarkably cheap for such a splendid little book of poems. And the poem I'm going to read you is very appropriately called Nos Calan Gwas, which is the Cornish for Halloween. The chorus, for those of you who are non-Cornish speakers, runs Bevilch Ysgis, Bevilch Scarf, be speedy, be quick. Rerug Doos, Nos Calan Gwas, Halloween, Hallow-even has come. So, bearing in mind the dreadful weather we had last weekend, and a few thunderclaps in the back of this, plus a little echo, hang on to your hats. Here we go with Nos Calan Gwas. Arachedefek, chwyrdd lws, ho henio ag angol yn nws, dy chwionna, dy chwien nef, dyn tebl le dy nid yr ef, bedych ysgys, bedych scarf, brerug dos nos calan gwal. Hamwys yn cwswn i ara, el scarf yn tebl sabot yma, hawl i sefyll galas golw, un ty ffynus and y wolw, bedych ysgys, bedych scarf, brerug dos nos calan gwal. Own myr at sefyll, sydd yn byd. Hag yn iddalus, cec i ffryd, troplus yn sydd greddol yn fro, hannu chwerus o tŵs a drw. Bedych ysgys, bedych sgar, brerug dos nos calan gwal. Grenni gwydd yn gychyd heti, grenni gwydd o war a lesu, nidern fy nirad ag o hol, loen o'n nini gwrachau ddol. Bedych ysgys, bedych sgar, Rerdos nos talan gua. Phew. Oh, it's amazing what you can do with this technology, isn't it? Well, there are 9 other poems in this splendid little collection, not all of them as heavy as that. In fact, some of them are quite amusing. A very entertaining little collection, Dig Trevis, Dig Semlant. And KDL have put a vocabulary at the bottom so that for a comparative beginner it wouldn't be too difficult to read and understand these poems, and I do recommend them. I also recommend the Didliver Knowers, that's the new diary, which is available from Kroeder Kernewek, the Cornish Language Fellowship. That's a 1990 diary. And probably, well, I think the most important new publication to come out recently is one that was already mentioned last week by Wella Brown. And I echo everything that Wella said about Cornish This Way, Halioch and Ner, which is by Graham Sandercock and which is published by the Cornish Language Board. I think it's definitely the best Cornish language primer yet published, and I'm sure it's going to be sold and used very widely in Cornish classes and by individuals. I shall certainly be using it with my class at Poole School. Just a reminder that the purchase price is £2.50 or £2.90 if you're including postage, and checks for that should be made payable to the Cornish Language Board. Now, in a moment, I'll be giving you the address of the Cornish Language Board and other publishers of Cornish language material. So if you're ever stuck for where to get hold of Cornish language material, you can always write to Radio Cornwall, either to me, John King, or to anybody on the Kroeder Kroghen team, and ask where you can get hold of publications, because we are very keen indeed that people should be able to get hold of Cornish language material whenever they want it and as easily as possible. So in a moment I'll give you all those addresses, and while you're just rallying your pen, paper and pencil, I'll play you this week's musical item, which is Camden Town Band playing that splendid and well-known Welsh tune, Hyfrodol. Well, I know I'm biased because I live in Camden, but if there's anything that comes close to musical perfection, I think Camden Town Band is it. Now then, publishers of Cornish language material. Well, first of all, there is the Cornish Language Board itself, which is Kesva and Tavas Kernewek, or if you don't speak any Cornish, just put Cornish Language Board. And the address is Bospren, Bospren, Keverall Lane, Keveral, Keverall Lane, Seaton, Seaton, Torpoint, Kernewek. Bospren, Keverall Lane, Seaton, Torpoint, Kernewek. Now, Cornish Kernewek, that's the Cornish Language Fellowship, also has some publications, and for details of those, and if you want a copy of the Dizeliver, the Cornish Diary, Cornish Language Diary, then you should write to their custodian of publications, who is Colin Ellis, E-L-L-I-S, Ashley House, as it sounds, A-S-H-L-E-Y, Ashley House, Grandpound Road, Truro. Colin Ellis, Ashley House, Grandpound Road, Truro. The Cornish Studies Centre also has a very large number of publications and is also a very important resource centre, not just for publications, but for all sorts of Cornish language and Cornish studies matters. And that address is very simple indeed. It's the Cornish Studies Centre, or Angreven Kernewek if you want it in Cornish, and it's very easy to remember because it's Tregarn, Cusgarn, Truro. Tregarn, Cusgarn, Truro. KDL, or Kernewek Drelither, is the Cornish Correspondence course organisation, and it has a number of splendid publications which are all very reasonably priced and easily obtainable. And if you want further information of the publications they have available, then you should write to KDL, and their address is in the West Midlands in England. It's 6 Halton Road, Halton, 6 Halton Road, Sutton Coldfield, Sutton, Coldfield, all one word, West Midlands, and the postcode is B73 6NP, B73 6NP. And one of the local publishers who has an enormous range of Cornish language material is Len Truran, who is Truran Publications, and he's all the tres. He's Truran, Trewolster, Trewergy, Redruth. He's in the phone book, Len Truran, and his address is Trewolster, Trewolsta, Trewergy, Redruth. Well, that's just about it for today. Hen you August Gorfenis rag heddiw. But I would like to just mention, particularly having mentioned Halloween, a little extract from the Pregos rag Gonisgoldes, the sermon given by Ken George at the Harvest Festival held recently in Cornish, where he also refers to the cycle of the seasons and the way they come round. Hav, Kiniaf, Guaf, Hagwenten, summer, autumn, winter, and spring, which he calls Ankilch, the circle or the cycle of seasons. And what Ken said during his sermon was this: Hav, Kiniaf, Guaf, Hagwenten, Hemmu and Kilch, in Gullapries, Ninzi Paran and Keith Cure Publiven, in Terwin of the near Borthkof and Vliven Ma, Milnaucans, Nahapezorigans, Ragi Sihor. Avel in Milnaucans, Huete Catrigans, Milnaucans Pezor Pezorigans, Scantmure Glaudre Bezor Mes. As young Gur Otrelia, you hem Arwood Oberan Chigweder, a ma charge to Vabdin, Guitha in Stista and Norvisma, Rebe Colliston, Gansdew. There is a charge to mankind to keep in a good state this world which has been loaned to us by God. The whole of that sermon, incidentally, the text of that is printed in this month's Anganus, as is also Paduragan Arluth, the Lord's Prayer in Kernewek Kemen in revised modern Cornish spelling. And I know that quite a few people who aren't Cornish speakers do like to have a copy of the Lord's Prayer in Cornish, and if you would like a copy of the Lord's Prayer spelt in modern Cornish in Kernewek Kemen, then do write or telephone to Radio Cornwall, leave a message for the Kroeder Kroghen team, and we can get a copy of the words sent out to you very easily. Well, hen you all rag heddiw. Nesta Satan, a fis Graham Sander Cogihan and Oma genoch, Hamia White, bus genoch arte, nebes didio kins nadelig. Bisena, bedig harth, bedig kuf, bedig lowen. How do you genoch we? God be with you, as always. Do you genoch we all?